Hello everyone, welcome to MiscellaneousBox HD YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to install Android Oreo 8.1, yes 8.1 on your YU YUREKA device. Yes, this is YUREKA device as you see from here, and in this video I will show you the tutorial how you can install Android 8.1 that is on Nitrogen OS. It has recently launched in December in the previous year, and in this video I will going to show you the tutorial how you can install Oreo 8.1 in this device. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. So installing Oreo 8.1 you need two things. One is the ROM, and I will give the link of this ROM in the description box below, and another thing that is important is the GApps. The GApps is 8.1. Remember guys, because the official GApps that you can find on opengaps.org, there it is listed at 8.0, but here since I am installing this ROM as 8.1, so you need to install 8.1 GApps, and I will be also give the link of this GApps in the description box below, so you can check it out and download for your requirements and download for ARM64. Yes, remember it, download for ARM64 bit. So let's get into it. And my device is on Android Oreo. This is the ROM. I have already flashed it, so this is the interface. So I will show you how you can flash it in your device, and everything works fine, like Geo and other things work fine, no problem, no issues. So if you install this ROM, you need to go in recovery, and here I am going direct into recovery. So this is like it is booting in recovery. Automatically it will boot in recovery because I have already set it in to boot into it recovery mode, so it will do automatically. But if you don't know how you can boot your device in recovery mode on YUREKA, then just press this power button and volume up, volume plus key both one time, and when device vibrated, just release this key and you will go into recovery mode. So no problem. And now before installing ROM, you need to wipe your all data that you have. Yes, you can wipe your internal storage also, but that's depend on you. If you want to remove all the data that you have stored in SD card or your internal storage, you can do it. Otherwise I am not going to do that because I have some important data. So I am just tapping it wipe, and let me focus it. Yes, it is perfect. So go into advanced wipe and select all this system, Dalvik, data and cache. I am not deleting the internal storage. So then just press this, and you have to wait until it formats. It may take around 2 to 5 minutes. You have to need patience in order to do that. So wait. Otherwise you can fast forward the video. And one thing I want to more show you after this installing this ROM, that's the tips and tricks. I'll also show you how you can root this ROM, because this is non-rooted ROM. But the problem is that you can't use any payment application like Google Pay or similar application, because it says it's already rooted device, but I haven't find any kind of rooting software. So I'll show you how you can root this way, but I can't show you how you can remove all the rooting process because I don't know. So just insert your pen drive or whatever you have and the ROM I store the ROM in my pen drive, so I inserted it, and then go to install. select storage and select your technique. Okay. Now I go to my folder where I select my ROM. I take the ROM. Sorry, there will be no information. I take the ROM and I will add another zip that is the gap. I will swipe it to confirm. And yes, it is flashing. And you need to patience because it will take around 10 minutes to complete. So I am keeping this device like this. It will also take 15 minutes time to boot. Means it's fast boot, so you need to patience. It may restart several times, but ignore that. Just go and sit, relax. It will do automatically. So it's installing open gaps. And if you want to root this device, in this device I will flash magic, but don't flash this magic into here right now. Just boot it one time, then you will add your Google accounts. Don't flash magic, because if you flash magic right now, then you can't add your Google account. I don't know, this is the issue that I have faced, so I'm telling you. So it's flash. I just wipe magic and cancel. You have to wait, but at this process it will also take 1 or 2 minutes time to complete this process. Then you also have to wait another 15 minutes to reboot the system. Now I am using the button that is, you can't see that, and you need to here. The reboot system now button in this process. It will take another 15 to 20 minutes time to boot up, so need patience. So it is booted finally, and here you have to set your things. Let's go. Select your mobile data. I'm selecting Geo. Every time Geo node setup as a fresh. Skip. Continue. And here it's need name. And I'm giving my name. Next, you have to go and to add your Google account. Where is your account? Yes. This is not actually this is Android 8.1. Let me see whether it's take Google accounts or not. So it's finally will take the account. Now city. So here all the things that I have set it finally, and now it comes back. I have used this ROM around 7 days, and in the usage, two things that I have faced. One is the Google account, because after I flashed this ROM, I also flashed the Magic's file as well, so I can't able to add my Google account. So if you want to add your Google account, then you have to flash first the ROM and the GApps, and after adding Google account, then you go into recovery mode, and then you can flash the Magic's file. But after that, Play Store will work fine. Play Store has no issue, but the issue that I have already stated is that, and the second issue that is that the live display. means if you adjust your display according to day and night, then this ROM will have a very kind of lagginess issue, but no issues of Play Store. Play Store works fine. Play Store has no problem. Play Store has no problem. Play Store also download is also possible. Download has no issue. Install this. This is very easy application that I will show you. No problem. We will install it. So this is how you can install Android Oreo 8.1 in your YUREKA device. I will give all the links that you need to start your ROM on your YUREKA device. I will give all the links, and this is the ROM, best in Oreo that I have found after performing and researching, because there are $90 available in Oreo, but all the ROM is Microsoft Share. So a Microsoft Share also is it, and key button also present. If you just tap it here for 2 or 3 seconds, then it automatically kill all the app that you have recently used. There is another application you can also kill it like this, and here is another application that you can also kill like this. So all applications you can kill just by pressing this back button 2 or 3 seconds. Now let me show you one thing, that is how you can flash magics. I'll also give the link of the magics in the description box below. You can download if you want to root your device, otherwise it will work fine. But the problem is that this device is already rooted according to the Google Tej application. You know the Tej. What is the Tej application? It is a payment application that is launched recently in India by Google. So that's the best application for payment, but it will not work in this device because it says that your device is already rooted. But there is, as you can see, there is no super user applications present. So there is something missing that. But anyway, I'm just going to show you how you can root, means you can install magics on this device. I would suggest you install magics because it will help you to hide your if you need. So just insert your USB device or where you have kept your magics file. I'm keeping this magics file in my USB drive, so I go to just recovery, and here I will flash 2 things. One is magics and another is Processor Atomics 3. And one thing I will also mention you that Processor Atomics 3 I haven't built that. All credit goes to this person who built these features, and you can flash it on any device I think, but don't flash it on below Android Lollipop. It will just white Android Lollipop and Barcelona Rodar and Oreo etc. So I will start that to install, and here I am all around. Here is the magic. Then I will add one or more things, that is Processor Atomics. Here is the Processor Atomics. I will also give the link of this file and swap to confirm flash. Then it will flash automatically, and after installing that you need to wait sometimes, and then you can go ahead because then it will work fine. Magics is also working fine. I have already tested, but to show you guys I am installing this. And flashing magics is always safe because you will not press any kind of boot lock. While flashing with super user or any other applications, it's quite difficult because it will take several times to boot up, but it will not take. So just reboot system and wait, and there 5 minutes. So you can enjoy full features of Android Mega 8.1. Yes, 8.1, not 8. 8.1 is still not available in many devices. You will get this device. So I am very lucky that I have this device and I will use Oreo. And if you have this device, you can also run Oreo and it will work perfectly fine. There is minor few issues and everything working fine. So here is the magic. And it is installed properly. here is also quality equal to working fine, no issues. And here is the hyper, and we have to allow this first time, and it's also working fine, no problem. Here is the status, supported, yes. So everything is working fine, no problem. You can just good to go. So that's it all from now. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel, because I will bring more such video in my channel, technological related videos, some unboxing and some technical analysis. So please subscribe my channel, and if you have any comments, then also make a comment in comment section. I will also give the answer of that comment. And if you have any suggestion to improve my video, then you can also do that, because it helps me a lot to make more such video in future. So thanks for watching. This is Arnav signing up from MiscellaneousBox HD. Have a great day. Thanks.